Hello, in this video I am going to show you the Microsoft Security certification path for security only. This is a certification path for security. So if you want to be a cybersecurity expert or architect or expert, whatever you can say, then you must have to follow some of the path. Then only you can be an expert of cybersecurity, or you can gain all the Microsoft Security certification. So basically, there are a couple of approach. I found that there are many different websites or different discussion, many location, or even some YouTube videos are there. They are discussing this thing very generic way, or they discuss like you complete this thing first, this thing, but there is not enough proper guidelines to understand from beginning to end. So in this video I am going to show you or discuss with you the actual Microsoft Security certification path. It's very straightforward. You have to start from one location and you have to finish in another location, like that. But the problem is most of the people, they don't understand from where to start or what are the minimum requirement for each of the exams, something like that. Okay, so this is a very confusing, and most people, they actually misguide, like me also. I got misguided by other people when I tried to explore the cybersecurity path for Microsoft certification or the Microsoft security certification path. I faced a lot of challenge to understand from where to where. Now don't worry, I'm discussing this thing from beginning to end. So if you follow this video, basically you will understand how to be an expert in Microsoft security certification for cybersecurity architect. So if you complete from where to where, if you complete, then you will be easily understand how to be a cybersecurity expert. Okay, so this is the main thing, like Microsoft security certification path. So here I try to draw on chart so that you can understand properly without showing some graphics or something like that. This is a very text-based approach and very clear. So the Microsoft security certification path has generally three categories, or you can say that three levels. You can think like level 1, level 2, and level 3, like that. Okay, so level 1, it means basically a fundamental. This is the completely fundamental, means completely basic thing. Okay, and associate, this is like mid level, you can say, and this is expert. This is like the person who has enough knowledge or very good amount of knowledge in expert level. So basically this path, basically we can divide into three different paths. One is fundamental, and is associate, and expert. Okay, now the question is, from where will you start? Okay, so you can start from here also. You can start like from associate. You can be an associate, and then you can be an expert. And some people will say that you can start fundamental, then you will complete all of them, then this, like this way. So there are different approaches, but forget about everything. Okay, so if you don't know anything about security or anything, just think about that. Do you know anything about security? What is the meaning of security? What is the meaning of compliance? And what is the meaning of identity fundamentals? If you can answer these three things basically, or if you have enough knowledge, not enough, basically some knowledge, basically enough, and so you can say like mid-level knowledge or general very basic knowledge. If you have those things, then basically you don't need to complete. Okay, you can start from associate level. From that means from here to here, you can start from here, from associate. Okay, you don't need to think about fundamentals. But my question is, if you don't understand what is security or what is compliance or what is identity fundamentals, very basic idea, if you don't have, don't ignore it. You start from here. Okay, so if you are a beginner, or if you start your career with this type of certification of whose dream is to be a cybersecurity architect, basically I will prefer, or I will suggest that start with SC 900. So this is the very fundamental course of or certification for Microsoft security, and it consists of three things. One is security, compliance, and identity fundamentals. Okay. So as I told, this is very beginner level certification that covers foundation knowledge on security, compliance, and identity concepts across cloud-based Microsoft fundamentals. Okay, so this is the main thing. You have to start from here. Okay, so we can mark it like 1. So this will be the starting point 1. So you can start from here if you don't have any knowledge. Otherwise you start from associate from here. Okay, so once you complete the SC 900 this certification, basically it's time to move to the associate. And in associate there are a couple of options. 1, 2, 3, 4 options are there. Okay, now which one I need to start, or which one I will complete, like that. So that's the main question. Like some people, they are pretty much concerned from where we have to start. Okay, so here the path is a little bit different. Like it was like SC 900, right? Now 500, 200, 300, 400, something like that. Okay, so here the path, you can start from here, and then you can move down path. So after the fundamental, this is the second thing you need to complete, AZ 500, which means Azure Security Engineer. Okay, and this focuses on implementation of security controls and threat protection in Azure environment. So basically it gives you the complete knowledge, or basic knowledge, whatever you can say, about security controls and threats protection in Azure environment. Okay, so once you complete this certification, now it's time to complete this certification. This is number 3. So I just mentioned number 3, SC 200, which is Security Operations Analyst. Okay, so this focuses on managing security operations. So once you complete this thing, now here you will learn how to manage all the security operations. Okay, here, and the certification name is also same, Security Operation Analyst. That means the person who will be certified, he will manage all the security operations. So this is the third step, and then the fourth step is this one, SC 300, which is basically Identity and Access Administrator. So basically this certification focuses solely on managing identity and access. So this is the fourth certificate. You can continue, and once you complete all these 3, then move this one, SC 400. Okay, so this is Information Protection and Compliance Admin. Okay, which focuses on protecting information and ensuring compliance. So here the main important thing is the compliance. Okay, so now check. So these are the steps you need to complete, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to be learn all the certification path, basically you need to follow this way. And finally, once you complete, you can jump. This is the sixth one, certification. This is called Cybersecurity Expert, and this is for expert level, and the exam code is SC100, and Cybersecurity Architect. Okay, so now here check carefully, SC, right? SC, and SC. Okay, SC. Okay, so these are the main core core certification. Okay, so you have to complete this one if you are beginner, otherwise you can ignore it. Okay, but to be an expert, basically you can complete any of this, and then you can jump to this exam. But my recommendation is, if you are new, then start from 1, and then you can continue 1 by 1 till 6. And if you are in rush and if you have enough knowledge, then start from 2, and then any of these 2, 3, 4, 5, choose 1, and then jump to 6. So that's it, guys. In this this is actually the clear Microsoft Security certification paths which I discussed. So many videos or many different location you will find different and even opinion. By this is my opinion, this one I discovered basically, or I researched, whatever you can say, and I found this is the exact clear path to complete the certification. Okay, so again I am telling you, if you are an expert, if you have some knowledge, don't forget forget about this one. Start any of this, any one, just start any one. I'm typing anyone, and then after that choose this one. Okay, so this is the shortest way to complete the Microsoft Security certification path. Basically shortest means you will be Cybersecurity Architect very easily. Okay, if you follow this thing, choose any one of this and then jump for this exam. If you don't attend any of this thing, you cannot be an expert. Okay, so definitely you need to complete this thing, otherwise you have to start from fundamental if you don't know anything. Okay, so I think you pretty much the idea is clear, and even I will try to give some description for each of the certification in the video description below. You can check from there. So thank you guys for watching the video for Microsoft Security certification paths.